we have to answer a really simple question. Who will replace you tomorrow? In the leadership series, we regularly talk about all the things that are on your plate as leaders, all the things that you do as leaders. And my question is, how many things do you have on your plate that only you can do? No one else knows how to do it. No one else has the skills to do it. No one else has access to the systems to do it. And if the answer is, I've got things on my plate that only I can do, you are failing in your job as a leader to the organization. Effective leaders understand that we have to be able to replace anybody at a moment's notice. So if there are things that you are doing that no one else is doing, you're missing the opportunity for coaching. You're missing the opportunity to use delegation, not as a permanent delegation tool, but as what I like to call a teaching training tool. It's temporary delegation. It's me finding someone who's interested in learning new skills, who's interested in doing this particular task, and delegating it to them so that they can learn and prove that they can do it effectively. And as soon as I know you can, I'm going to take it back because it really is my task. But now I have the ability that if I'm not here tomorrow, there is someone who can step in and do what needs to be done.